Hey guys, going to show you how to use our new QR code builder today. Super simple. First thing you want to do is log into your portal. Once you're in your portal, you're going to click on this little button up here for your settings. When you go into your settings, you're going to see this QR code generator button right underneath your profile section. Once you're in here, this is where the magic can all happen. You can go right in here and create as many QR codes as you want for all your different locations. So first thing you do is hit create QR code, hit the reviews button, and this is where you can select the location you want to send them to. So let's say we're going to do one for Gainesville. We'll click on the location, we'll type in Gainesville, and then we're going to hit next. Now this is where you can actually build the QR codes. You can turn this into a flyer, you can make a table tent, you can turn it into a business card, and you can also edit this in our designer here. So once you go in and you build your QR code, you can download it by clicking this download button. This will download a PDF or a PNG of the file, or if you just want the QR code all by itself, you can click on here. And if you want to add your logo to that QR code, you can click on here and then add it to whatever design you want. So let's say we download the QR code by itself with the logo. Once it's downloaded, you're going to have this beautiful QR code, and this will take you right to the review page, which is this right here. So it goes right here and it allows you to track it. Another cool little feature I want to show you is when you go back into the QR code generator, this will show you how many times that QR code was scanned and how many times it was clicked. Great way of tracking the effectiveness. So if you have any special events, you have any sales reps, you can literally create these QR codes for each individual in your organization and give them the QR code, and then you can track what's going on with them. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Support@thrivereviews.io. Have a great day, guys.